This is an iPhone 12 Pro. Its two-time back camera can't work. The bottom one is two-time camera. Now let's start to find and fix the problem. Heat 2 to 3 minutes on heating pad. Open with opening tools. This iPhone seems haven't repaired before, but there are a lot of dust inside. It's because of frame sticker aging, then the dusts get inside. Disconnect battery flex first and speaker flex. The screen looks original new. Back camera modules behind metal shield, and it has two flex cables. Let's screw out metal shield and check. .5 and one-time camera share one same flex cable. Two-time camera use another flex cable. We can replace any one of camera once it broken. This is a new two-time camera for iPhone 12 Pro. We connect this new two-time camera together with old 0.5 and one-time camera to test. It still show unknown parts message and two-time camera still can't work. It seems the problem not caused by camera. So we have to check the mainboard now. Examine camera connector pins one by one and found one power abnormal. The power supply for camera travels from lower layer of motherboard to upper layer. Let's take out the mainboard to check. Disconnect all flex cables and take it out. The motherboard is slightly bent. The phone has been severely dropped. Remove all the foam and stickers. This is an iPhone motherboard heating station. Separate the upper and lower layer. Inspecting the solder points between the upper and lower layers. No breakpoints were found, but a few points showed signs of oxidation. This was caused by motherboard deformation due to the severe drop. The power supply line we just measured leads to the power management chip on the lower layer. This chip connects through an inductor, and then three capacitors pass through lower layer to the connector on upper layer. Let's first check if the inductor on the lower layer is open-circuited. We pushed the inductor and found its solder well. We measure the components around this power management chip. Everything is fine. Then the unstable power supply is caused by cold solder joints and oxidation at the solder points between the upper and lower layers. We melt and absorb all joints on upper layer. Clean them with PCB washing water. Apply some solder flux on lower layer and use solder wick again. Clean lower layer with PCB washing water. Planting tin ball on lower layer. Soldering paste. Clean BGA reballing stencil. Melt all tin ball by hot air gun. If there are individual solder points that are not properly soldered, we can rework them individually. Let's inspect all the points, and as long as they are full and smooth, they should be fine. Solder upper and lower layer on heat station. Cool down the motherboard. Check the pin that had the issue earlier. It is normal now. We assemble camera and screen back. Connect battery flex to check if fixed now. Unknown parts message still there. Wi-Fi and signal work normal, so upper and lower layer assemble fine. We turn on camera to check if fixed now. Unfortunately, two-time camera still can't work. We take out camera modules again. It seems the two-time camera broken too. We found the two-time camera flex short circuit. We compare it with new two-time camera. The normal resistance is in the hundreds. But this is indeed a short circuit condition. Since we had already fixed mainboard, now let's replace the two-time camera. Protect 0.5 and 1-time camera with high temperature resistive tape. The camera is only secured with adhesive. Take out camera with blade. Clear all the glue and metal cover. Apply UV adhesive, then cure it with a UV light. Complete and check if it is in the middle. Clear mainboard. Put on new stickers and foam. Also black sticker in the back. Clear and assemble all the parts back. Clean and clear all the glue on frame. Put on new LCD frame sticker. Assemble and screw the screen back. Press 30 seconds in module. The last two bottom screws. Turn on IFNI. Unknown parts message disappeared now. Because the ID only stored in one-time camera. It will not show unknown parts if we replace 0.5 and 2-time cameras, and 2-time camera is very clear. We fix it now.
Oh my God! Wow!